Hello tiny twinkles. Today in this video we'll be learning how to write an alphabet A. Come, let's start tracing.
Welcome to Tiny Twinkles.
Look, we have a soft clay and some ice cream sticks and sticky notes. We use all these things to learn alphabet A. Let's start with the clay. Let's cut the clay into 3 pieces. One should be short, the other 2 should be long. So now we are ready with the clay. Let's start building the letter A. First take the long piece and then form a right slanting line. Now let's take the other part and make it as left slanting line. And finally the sleeping line that comes across the slanting lines. Give a small press at the ends to stick properly and form a letter A. So this is A. Isn't it easy? Now let's try with the ice cream sticks. So we'll form a letter A using these beautiful sticks. Let's take this A as a reference. By saying this, we'll make the letter A. So this becomes the right slanting line and the next one is left slanting line. So we'll form a left slanting line and the remaining part is a sleeping line that come across the slanting lines. But this is too big, so we'll cut it into half. Then place this sleeping line across the slanting lines. Yes, we have made a letter A. Isn't it cute? Do you love it? I love it. Now we'll be using the sticky notes to start tracing. So grab your pencil and start tracing. Let's start tracing these dots. So first a right slanting line slowly and then left slanting line slow and steady and a small sleeping line across. Good. Let's repeat it again. Right slanting line, then comes left slanting line and a sleeping line in between. Very good. So we'll be tracing without dots. Right slanting line, left slanting line and a sleeping line. Very good. You have learned how to write a letter A. Isn't it fun and easy? Let's revise it. We'll start with right slanting line and then left slanting line and a small sleeping line across. So this becomes an alphabet A. A for apple. Let's draw a cute little apple. So if you like my videos, please hit the like button and also subscribe for more. Today we learned the alphabet A very easily. My next video will be on the alphabet B. Please don't forget to subscribe.